join me in minimising my children's wardrobes. I got 4 children and I'm going to be minimising 3 of them today because I've got 7-year-old twins and I've also got a 15-year-old boy as well. So my little girl's wardrobe is behind me and this is a job that I've been putting off for a while. So excuse the no makeup and the pyjamas because we're keeping it real. I've just been for work with my sister, so I took my makeup off, put my pyjamas on, and then I had the motivation to do this. So I thought, why not make a video of it, because I know a lot of people struggle with things like this and maybe you're looking for some motivation as well. So if you want to get motivated to minimise your wardrobe or your children's wardrobe, follow along with me and let's do this together. So just bear in mind that I've got twins, so there's going to be double of most of the items that I've got here, so it does look like there are a little bit more in this wardrobe than they would in a single child's wardrobe. What I did want to ideally do is have about 10 outfits. To be honest, I don't think they even need 10 outfits, but there are so many things in their wardrobe that are quite new and I love them, so I don't want to get rid of too much, but I did want to put a number on those outfits. So when I say outfits, I mean like a full outfit, like dresses and leggings, not the items. So dresses and leggings would be one outfit and then the jacket to go with it as well. So that's how I'm going to do it anyway. I'm just going to go through their main bits and then I am going to keep some jackets and cardigans as well. What you ideally want to do is take each item out and have a good look at it and think, is it too small to start with? Because that's a good place to start. So have a look at the age tag. You'll be surprised when you start looking for your kids' wardrobe how many things are just far too small for them. I had to look through my son's wardrobe a couple of months ago and I found stuff that was like age 12 and age 11 and he's 15 now, so it's shocking, I know, but you do forget and you don't realise unless you actually go through their wardrobe. So just take everything out, have a good look at it. Like for instance, this dress here is age 5 to 6 and it's probably a bit too small for my little girls now, so I'm going to get rid of that one. Although I love that, but I will sell it on Vinted, so at least I get my money back for it. This one's a new one, so I'm going to keep that. So I'm going to keep one party dress each for my girls. I'm not going to go wild. But this is a really pretty dress, but it's age 6 to 7. They're in 7 to 8 now, so I'm going to get rid of that. Like I said, I'm not going to worry too much about it because I can resell things like that. But if you've got a family member or you know someone like a friend that you can donate your clothes to, then you'll feel a lot better about it. Or you can sell on places like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, that type of place, and Vinted is my favourite. That's a beautiful little dress. I love that. That's a summer dress. That's their winter party dress. So I'm probably going to put that underneath their bed. So I'll take that out of their wardrobe now. So that's their winter dresses. And they've got some new dresses that I bought them not so long ago, so I'll skip those. I've had a good look through some of these clothes already, so I kind of have a clue what I do like. So have a look at the clothes, see if they're in good quality still. If anything's like really damaged, stained, bobbly, you know, that's an excuse to get rid of stuff as well. That's what I sort of go on. There's 2 little dresses here which are gorgeous, but they're too small now. I know they're too small. So we'll get rid of those. Gorgeous little dresses. God, those are Vinted. Love Vinted. What you can do as well is declutter the hangers. So either put them like in a box or get rid of them if you've got too many of them. There's some winter dresses here that I'm going to get rid of because these I know are too small and this one's got a stain on it anyway, so that's my excuse to get rid of that. But these have been worn for 2 years anyway, so they've got loads of use out of them. So if you know that you've got items of clothing that you know they've worn to death and they've got a really good wear out of them anyway, it's not going to make you feel so bad about getting rid of stuff. So those are going. I'm getting on making a start, which is good. These are their little winter dresses, so I'm going to put them away as well. Put those underneath the bed because I got under the bed storage. What you want to do as well is be quite ruthless. So say if you've got quite a few items that look the same and you think, do you know what, they do not need 3 or 4 t-shirts that look the same. Like for instance, I've got matching t-shirts, but there's 2 grey t-shirts. Do they really need 2 grey t-shirts each? No, I don't think so. So to be honest, I had that given to me. It's a lovely top, love it, but they don't need loads of clothes, so I'm just going to donate that to someone and keep those ones. Then these ones here, I know these t-shirts here are going too small for them. They're tiny, so I'm going to get rid of them now. like I said, they just do not need the amount of clothes that they've got, because I can't move their clothes in their wardrobe anyway. So if you're finding that there literally is no space in your children's wardrobe to move clothes, and that's a good indicator that you need to start getting rid of stuff. I'm going to get rid of this little t-shirt. It's a bit too small anyway, so get rid of that. And there are some lovely items in here that I'm going to keep. There's a couple of t-shirts. So I've kept, what, 3 t-shirts each. I think that's enough because they've got quite a few dresses. They got shorts as well, so I will go through their drawers as well. I'll show you their drawers in a minute. I've got some really good drawer organisation. I'm also going to keep a couple of cardigans, and they've also got some fleeces. They had loads of fleeces and jackets, and I got rid of quite a few of those not so long ago. So I'm going to keep a couple of hoodies. They do need things like that. So look how much space I've made already. Like, this is amazing. What I like to do is put all the things that are the same together. So for instance, all the hoodies are together, and I've got their cardigans, they're all together. Their t-shirts are together, and they're all colour coordinated as well, so I can quickly grab them. Then I've got like vest dresses as well. So there's a couple of vest dresses there. Some jersey dresses. I love jersey dresses for little girls. My girls live in them. So I've got all their jersey dresses together. They have got quite a few dresses because these are all new, and I bought most of them off Vinted or in the sale as well. But look, I can actually move their stuff in their wardrobe. This is amazing. Open your drawers, and that sounds really bad. I'm so sorry. That really came out wrong. I mean, open whatever drawers you're going to go through, and yeah, open whatever drawers you're going to go through. It's going to make me laugh now constantly. And we'll organise them together. These are the drawers that I've got. So I'm going to ignore this here because this is just all bedding. I got this wardrobe from IKEA. So this is a Pax drawer. And these are all their things in here. So these little boxes, I think they're called the Scub boxes. I will link some down below for you. But to be honest, they are cheaper in IKEA than I would link them for. They come in a pack of 6, so they've got 2 of the square ones, 2 of the rectangle ones, and then 2 of the smaller ones in a pack, and they're really good value for money, I think, and they do hold quite a lot. So what I do is I actually roll clothes up, so I'll just put them into like these little sausage roll parcels. I think, to be honest, there's a pair of shorts in here which I wasn't really too fussed on. These little shorts that's given to me, so I'll probably get rid of those, to be honest. But yeah, there's only a little box full of little shorts there, so I haven't gone too wild with the shorts. Then they've got their leggings here. So the leggings are something that they always wear. So I'll have a little look, see if anything's gone too small. So have a little look at the label. These are age 7. I did go through quite a few of these leggings not so long ago, so I don't think I'm going to find anything. But have a look at your children's trousers, shorts, t-shirts, you know, dresses, all that type of thing. Have a look at the label and just see if it's too small, get rid of it. And obviously sometimes if the label is younger than their age range, it might still fit, so it might be worth just trying things on your children first before you get rid of them forever. Age 5 to 6, oh there we go, see. They've also got this little box, and this has got some little skirts in, and these are little skirts that go with the little Minnie Mouse t-shirts that you saw earlier, the little grey ones, so I'm going to keep those for definite because they're new. But to be honest, I did get this little set from Vinted, and I'm not really fussed on them, so I think I'm going to get rid of them. They're quite bad quality. Lots a bunch of clothes there I'm going to get rid of. Also, this little skirt is beautiful, but they don't wear it very often, so if it's something that I know they're not going to wear very often, I am going to get rid of that too, but I am going to sell that on Vinted because it's beautiful. Absolutely love that. Can you see how, just by being a bit ruthless, I'm going to have so much room in this wardrobe, and it's lovely because then I've got less choice and I've got less washing to do because I don't have to worry about millions and millions of clothes to wash all the time. The same goes for socks as well. So if you're finding that you're overwhelmed with socks and pants, it might be worth going through things and just checking. Have they got holes in? Are they really badly worn? Are they too small? Like these ones are still okay because they still fit them. Are the socks small? Because socks is something that I need to really check the age range. These socks in particular have got the age range on them, which are good. But you might want to go through socks and just try them on your kids and see if they still fit. Most of these socks I have gone through and I've replaced them. So I think most of these socks fit anyway. So, but it is surprising what you can find at the bottom of a box like this. That drawer there is pretty empty now. I've just got some hoodies there, so I rolled up some of their hoodies. They've only got 2 hoodies each, which I think that is enough. I did declutter some of their fleeces and hoodies, like I said, and their jackets and stuff. They've also got a box of jump socks, and to be honest, they don't go trampolining that much. Look how many jump socks they've got. I can go through these and get rid of some of these as well, so definitely gonna get rid of some of them. And then pajamas then as well. To be honest, I do like to keep quite a few pajamas, and we do normally get overrun with pajamas because there's 2 of them. But they got these 2 little boxes, so if the pajamas are not going to fit in these 2 little boxes, then I do start getting rid of stuff. These are winter pajamas, so I'm going to put these away. I'm in my son Finley's room now, so we're going to go through his wardrobe as well. So if you've got teenagers, it might be a good idea to go through their wardrobe as well, or if you've got older children. So to be honest, this is another wardrobe that I recently went through. So there has been quite a few things taken out of this wardrobe already. But the first thing you want to go through is the hangers. So if you've got extra hangers like this, go through them and get rid of them, because this is going to free up so much room in the wardrobe. And what you'll find is when you start getting rid of stuff, you're going to get rid of hangers anyway, because you just don't need them. And don't feel like you need to keep them, because if you do keep extra hangers, then you're just going to feel the need to fill them back up again, if that makes sense. So just get rid of them. What you want to do is the same thing, and go through each clothing item and check the tag just to check for the age. So if there is something too small, then get rid of it. Also, what you want to do is have a look. Is there duplicates in the wardrobe? For instance, does your child own like 5 hoodies? Do they wear them still? So if you know there's a hoodie that you know is their favourite, maybe keep 1 or 2 of them instead of 5. You do know your child the best, and if you want to recruit them as well to ask them what they want to keep and what they don't, you might be surprised. For instance, my son has got too many hoodies. So I've been through the hoodies and I've gone downstairs and I've actually asked him, do you wear this? Would you wear this? And is it too small for you? And I'll show you the things that I've got rid of. So I have taken a few things out of his wardrobe so far. And I've got room now to actually move his things, which is amazing. So he's got quite a few hoodies. He lives in hoodies anyway, so he has got quite a few. He's also got long sleeve tops. I will leave those in his wardrobe. With mine and my little girl's wardrobes, I do take all the winter stuff out and put it under the bed. But with Finn, he's got quite a lot of room, so it's okay to leave some of his winter stuff in his wardrobe. And then he's got some t-shirts, but not loads. I have taken out quite a few t-shirts of his as well. He's also got his drawers as well, and I did recently go through these drawers too. So again, he's got his jump socks. To be honest, he doesn't go trampolining, so I'm going to get rid of those so they can go. He's got a selection of hats, so 3 caps and some sunglasses. He's got 1 pair of slippers that he wears. This is some of his joggers that he wears to school. So he's got these blue joggers that he wears. And then he's got some shorts as well. So he's got a box of shorts, and I recently put these in here. So there's 4 pairs of shorts that actually fit him. And then at the bottom, he's just got another pair of slippers, and then he's got some shoes. He's got football boots, which he wears to school, and then he's got like his flip-flops. And he's also got 2 pairs of trainers, but he's wearing those back and forth to school at the moment. I've got rid of quite a few things from their wardrobe now. So I've got a pile of stuff on the bed here. These are the things that I'm going to sell on Vinted. So I've got quite a few things here to sell. What I'll do with these things is I'll put them in the garage in a box, and I put them in types so I can find them easily. So I'll put all my little girls' things together in one box. I'll also put my son's stuff in a box, and I'll put my stuff in a box as well, just so I can find them easily. And these are transparent boxes with a tight fitting lid, because I do worry about rodents getting into these boxes. But they're in the garage and they're out of the way, and they're stackable as well, so they're just out of sight, out of mind, but then they're there for when I want to sell stuff. I've also got a pile of stuff that I'm going to take to the weigh-in, because around my area we do something which is you take bags and they'll weigh them, and then they'll give you a little bit of money. It is not a lot, but all those clothes get donated, so they go to a good cause. So that's what I'm going to do with these, but there are quite a few things here. With the jump socks, unfortunately, I am going to have to bin them, because I can't get rid of those. I can't donate those at all, so they will have to go in the bin. But I did get rid of quite a few jump socks as well, so it is surprising. I also found a pair of shoes as well, And to be honest, those are going to go in the weigh-in as well. So these are too small for them now, but they are worn to death. So I hope this gave you the motivation to have a little bit of a declutter of your children's wardrobes, or your own wardrobe as well. I am going to do a minimize with me wardrobe video, so if you're interested in that, I'm going to go through my wardrobe and I'm going to be very ruthless. I have already minimized my wardrobe quite a bit, but there is still some items in my wardrobe I think, do you know what, I'm not wearing those enough, so I want to really go through them and just really be ruthless and minimize my wardrobe so it's easier to wear stuff, easier to find things, and also my items of clothing are going to mix and match together better as well. So if you're not a subscriber, maybe subscribe and then you won't miss that future video. Have a lovely rest of your day and I'll see you soon. Bye.